dit asprus? So nou hieronder gaan julle skerp regs draai, moenie te wyd draai nie. Dan gaan ons omdraai om op te gaan weer.
Dieselfde ene? Ja, maar dieselfde ene het ons afgekom. Nou man, ek doen ons sommer net reg.
Maar as jy self net hoor geraak. Was dit asprus? Dit was. Nee, dis nou asprus, Christof.
Wat?
Jy fok die pad vir ons op.
Hy trek oor die spoor dat ek hom sien af. Hy maak hierdie ding nou so los, so los. Right, guys, 5-cylinder. Oh, close. Different line now.
next day.
So guys, when we were ready to turn towards the ocean, I noticed Eric is not behind me anymore. I think he's out of diesel. What's up?
For some reason you need fuel to drive this thing.
You need fuel
Yeah.
for that thing?
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense. It's not a Prado. Yeah. Alright, a little bit of excitement for the day, as always.
As always.
So we bring the caravan on the Jeep because I can't pull the Jeep behind the caravan. Yeah, so I'm gonna have a train behind me. So these are the salt dams in this town called Veldrift, and they're collecting water here from the oceans being pumped in, and then yeah, they extract the salt from it. So as you guys can see, there's some salt laying over there, and all the different dams over here. And then on the left here we have the river coming this way. It's called the Berg River, and that flows all the way from where we live, even further away, all the way to where we are now, which is quite far, and then it flows directly into the ocean. Here's one of the two legs going in. Very interesting river actually in our area, the way it makes its way to the ocean. But yeah, we're turning away from the coast now. Over here we're going towards Hopefield on the way back to where we live. The Jeep is running again. We towed the Jeep all the way to the filling station, which was about 45 kilometers away. Put some diesel, and we just had to prime it again, and it started straight up. So yeah, we're all good now, heading home. And she had a very tiring weekend, lots of adventures, and full of adventure, and now it's time for some much needed sleepy time. Alright guys, so all in all, that's a very successful weekend, and again, as always, super impressed with the Prado 120 with the 4 liter V6. This is just an amazing car. I love towing the caravan all the way to the campsite and on the way back now, and it's such a pleasure to tow with this vehicle. And obviously you've got more than enough power, so that's not an issue. And the fuel consumption, I mean, it's not that bad in comparison to what it usually is. So totally worth it with this vehicle. It still drives so soft and smooth, and it just feels great, even with towing the caravan. It was a lot of fun. I used the drone quite a bit more than what I usually do, so that's why I made sure that I went first onto the route, because then I can finish an obstacle, I can park, and then I can film everyone coming through, so I just have more time to do it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and on to the next one.